Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the U-shaped modular sofa gray velvet fabric living, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You guys know how frustrating it can be to spend hundreds on a piece of furniture that just doesn't quite fit your style or needs. That's why I'm super excited to share with you my thoughts on the U-shaped modular sofa gray velvet fabric living. This thing is a real game changer for anyone looking to elevate their living room experience. So who is this sofa for? Honestly, it's perfect for anyone who wants a stylish and comfortable spot to hang out with friends or family. Whether you're a busy professional looking to create a relaxing retreat or a young adult just starting to build your home, the sofa is a must-have. Let's dive into what makes it so special. For starters, the velvet upholstery is absolute perfection. It adds a level of sophistication and glamour that's hard to resist. And with its firm foam foundation, you can bet your bottom dollar that this couch will be supportive for years to come. One of my favorite features has got to be the pocket coil spring in the cushions. It creates just the right amount of give without sacrificing any support, making it perfect for long Netflix binges or cozy nights in with a good book. And the button tufting? It adds a vintage flair that's totally on trend right now. Another thing I love about this sofa is its versatility. Whether you're going for a modern minimalist look or a more glam, over-the-top aesthetic, this U-shaped sectional can be styled to fit your unique vibe. Plus, with 2 middle faux pillows and 2 accent fabric pillows included, you've got plenty of options to customize it to your heart's content. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this sofa worth the investment? In my humble opinion, absolutely. The quality is top-notch, and you can tell that the designers put a lot of thought into creating a piece that's both stylish and functional. Plus, with its durable construction and comfortable design, it's sure to be a staple in your home for years to come. That being said, there are a few things to keep in mind. For one thing, this sofa can be a bit on the pricier side. But trust me, it's worth every penny. And while I haven't had any major complaints, some reviewers have mentioned that the legs could be slightly more sturdy. However, even with that minor quibble, this sofa still delivers. In conclusion, if you're looking for a stylish and comfortable addition to your living room, look no further than the U-shaped modular sofa gray velvet fabric living. It's perfect for anyone who wants to create a cozy retreat without breaking the bank. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.